but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. The white walls of your dressing room are stained in scarlet red. You fled upon the coast on like a young man. In the foreign field of death. Never closed your eyes at night and learned to love daylight. Instead to move away, my high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought